Get ready for some colorful fun. Today, I'm drawing a super cute papaya. Pop it step by step. Grab your colors and let's jump right in.
Glitty Art, English.
First, I draw the full body shape of the papaya. Then, I draw the top stem and the middle part of the mesocarp, which is the soft, juicy section inside the fruit. Now, I draw some straight lines across the body to divide it into sections. After that, I add all the little poppet circles inside each section. Did you know? Papayas are rich in vitamin C and are great for your digestion. They also have enzymes that help break down proteins in your food. Now it's time to add color and make it shine. I start by coloring the top stem and the first section with glitter red. Next, I color the second two sections with glitter orange. The orange color of ripe papayas comes from a nutrient called beta-carotene, which is also good for your eyes. Then, I color the third two sections using glitter green. After that, I use glitter yellow for the mesocarp part in the middle. It makes the inside look juicy and real. Now I color the fourth two sections with glitter sky blue. And finally, I color the last part with glitter purple. And that's it! Our glittery papaya, it is now complete. Bright, colorful, and full of fruity fun. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!